Welcome back. The next portion we're going to jump into is the body. And the body consists of video and a text content, obviously, since this is a video email. Again, the tools we'll be using, one is the email builder in KutKonnect.com. This is our omni-channel software. And if you'd like to find out more about how you can get access to that, you can go to our website at KutKonnect.com, KutKonnect.com. And it does some really amazing things like integrate social media, your website, your email, everything all in one place. And you can check that out there at KutKonnect.com, KutKonnect.com. And then, of course, we're going to be using an AI solution called ChatGPT to help us populate our email content. And you can find more about that throughout the remainder of this video. So let's go ahead and jump in. So we've already figured out our settings for our subject line and our heading. And of course, we already have that in. We covered that in the first part of this series, the first video. And so the next thing we're going to jump into is the actual structure and body of the email. Okay, so we have a template here, which you can get at KutKonnect.com. We have multiple email templates. I happen to pick one that I like just in terms of layout, and we're going to find out why. So we have a placeholder here for our logo. So we're going to go ahead and replace our logo, this placeholder logo, with whichever logo we prefer. Obviously, in this instance, it's going to be the one for us, KutKonnect.com. So we're going to go ahead and do that really quickly. So we're going to click Replace. We're going to go to our library. We're going to click on our logo. Bingo. It's that simple. We replaced our logo. Next thing we're going to do is make sure that our reply to or our contact email is the same as the one that we set in our settings. So it's going to be info. In my case, it's going to be info@KutKonnect.com. Okay. And then here's where we get to the important part, and that's going to be our video. And so we have here a section here where we can drop content. And what we want to add to this particular portion is we want our video to be front and center. Our video needs to have a few things. There needs to be a hook. It needs to engage the watcher's attention and a curiosity quickly. It needs to be clear. It needs to state what we're offering and why it's so great for them. It needs to be concise. We need to keep it short. And it also needs to ask for their business. We need to have a clear ask. And then, of course, we need to tell them. We need to tell them exactly what steps they need to take to get our offer, whether it's click the button on this email, call the number on your screen, or visit our website. We also need to include some sort of social proof, like a hallway full of excited people or client testimonials or something equivalent. So in terms of structure, let's just click the plus sign. We can go down here and grab the video, and we're going to drop that right here in our content. Okay, now we can upload our video from a URL on YouTube or something equivalent, or in our case, we can go ahead and grab the video from our inventory where we've uploaded it from. So let's see if we can go to YouTube and grab a video really quickly.